Hi, this is George. Today we're going to go through rock painting ideas, variations, number 1. This rock painting was originally a kindness rock. This was my first stone going to Japan. It was really kind of exciting. But I wanted to show some variations, so this is what I did. I selected 3 rocks, roughly the same size. And using the same background and design elements, I painted 3 rock paintings. Each of the variations focuses in on at least 1 or 2 aspects of the original rock painting. If you could stay to the end, there's going to be a poll. In the poll, if you can indicate which one is your favorite, I'd appreciate it. Thanks a lot. This is the first variation. I love the detail work that you can get with the micron pen. So I went hog wild and had fun. I also used a light wash of lime green to accentuate the lines and to create a bit more dimensionality. This stone, I wanted to suggest some leaves, and I used lime green mixed with a little bit of the blue. I also painted this stone in a horizontal format. At the base of the rock, I applied micron line work to suggest grasses and organic shapes. This was the third variation. Here I wanted to approach it in a minimalistic way. Try saying that 3 times fast. I wanted to use the micron pen, but I also wanted to focus in on the gold. It has an Asian flair to it, which I like. And I love Asian artwork. Prints, textiles, you name it. Unfortunately, I don't know of too many examples of Asian artwork on rock painting. Maybe together we'll change that. Sorry about that. I kind of ramble sometimes. Anyway, I like how the gold catches the light. Kind of nice. So you've seen my 3 variations. Which is your favorite? Remember to celebrate each other, celebrate your creative inner voice, and paint along the way.